Today we're at the Holiday Inn Suites in Charlottetown, room 351. We've already been using the room, so forgive the mess. But it is a standard Holiday Inn kind of suite. So you got your 2 double beds, little microwave, Keurig machine, fridge, storage. There is no safe in here, but you do have your iron and desk, plugs by the bedside, air conditioner, and view of a parking lot. Washroom is standard, single sink, low bathtub, which does come with some decent amenities. Water pressure here wasn't that great, but what can you do? Thank you for watching this quick room tour of the Holiday Inn and Suites at Charlottetown in PEI. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.